With Bluetooth, you can connect a wide range of wireless devices to your PC. The process, known as pairing, will vary depending on the type of Bluetooth device you're using. To pair a Bluetooth audio device like a headset or speakers, make sure the device is powered on and in discovery mode so that your PC can find it. Check your device's documentation to see how. Next, check that Bluetooth is also enabled on your PC. To do that, tap or click the notification icon on the bottom right corner to open the Action Center. If the Bluetooth tile is grayed out, that means it's turned off, so tap or click it to turn it on. Then hit the Connect tile above to search for your Bluetooth audio device, which may take several seconds to detect. Once it's found, just select the device to connect and pair it with your computer, which will take a few more seconds, after which it's ready to use. To verify that it's been installed successfully, right-click or tap and hold the volume icon on the bottom right of your taskbar and select Playback Devices from the pop-up menu. If it's been paired correctly, you'll see it listed in your playback devices. You can also set it as the default playback device if you have more than one set of headphones or speakers attached to your PC. To connect other Bluetooth devices to your PC, like keyboards, mice, or smartphones, first make sure they're powered on and discoverable like before. Next, open the Start menu and click the Settings icon on the lower left. Then go to Devices, followed by Bluetooth and other devices from the left if it's not already selected. From there, click the link at the top to add a Bluetooth or other device, then select the type of device you want to add. In this example, we'll pair a smartphone, so we'll choose the first option. Windows will then search and list all the nearby Bluetooth devices, so once your device is found, just select it from the list to connect to it. For security, a passcode will then appear on your smartphone and on your PC, so make sure they both match. Then hit the Connect button on each device to confirm, after which they'll both be successfully paired, so just click Done below to finish up. Now that your smartphone's connected, you can transfer files wirelessly to and from your smartphone by clicking the link on the right to send and receive files via Bluetooth. For example, to send a file from your PC to your smartphone, first select your device from the list and click Next below. Then hit the Browse button to locate the file you want to send. We'll copy a short clip from our Videos folder. Once you've selected the file, click Next to start the transfer, which may take a while depending on the size of the file you're sending. Once it's complete, click Finish to close up. For additional settings, click More Bluetooth options on the right-hand side. From here, you can turn on Discovery Mode for your PC, which allows other Bluetooth devices to find it. You can also have Windows alert you whenever a new device wants to connect, as well as show the Bluetooth icon in the taskbar, both of which we recommend leaving on. Speaking of the Bluetooth icon, if you don't see it in the notification area, click the little arrow icon to the left of it to view the hidden icons. Then, optionally drag the Bluetooth icon to the notification area to keep it visible. You can also right-click or tap and hold the icon to access many of the same tasks and settings, like sending and receiving files and viewing your connected devices. Lastly, to remove a connected Bluetooth device, just select it from the list and click Remove Device, then click Yes to confirm. And that's all there is to adding Bluetooth devices.